How is everybody today? Happy Monday. Well, it's Monday for me. I don't know when I'm going to upload this. So I wanted to talk about something super awesome that I saw on Arrows and Applesauce's Instagram. And if you don't know who she is, she's amazing. She's an Etsy shop owner and a homeschool mama, and she's wonderful. So look her up if you've never heard of her. So I wanted to talk about how I am organizing Adelyn's curriculum so we know what we're doing every week, so I'm not scrambling around every single Sunday to prep. So basically we're using something that a lot of homeschoolers call the file system. So I've already pulled some, and you can kind of see these say different things, so that week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, and now I'm on week 7. So what I'm doing out of each, I'm literally dismantling this entire book. So this is Foundations Phonics. I actually think we're gonna use this for Amelia, not Adelyn, but I haven't really decided yet. So basically I go through, I find all the week 7, because we're on week 7. So then it says week 8. So these all have perforated pages. Good, Mia. They all have perforated pages. You're gonna take this. I take a little bit of washi tape and put together the entire week worth of each lesson. So I put a little bit of washi tape, and then I throw it into week 7. Then I move that one out of my way. Now I'm in week 7 of Adelyn's. Adelyn is using Maths for a Living Education, which is a master books. And so then I do week 7, pull that out. And they're perforated, they come out super easy, and they also are 3-hole punched. They come that way. And put it in there. Obviously, if you're wanting to resell and things like that, this isn't gonna be an option, but it works really good for us because I don't want to be working on lessons. And then the last but not least, language arts, or language lessons for living education, level 1, because Adelyn's in 1st grade. They do have kindergarten all the way up. So, but we are doing level 1. Yeah. Sometimes they take a minute and you just gotta kind of work with it, but don't pull too hard because then you'll lose your little dot, which I just did for that one, but I haven't often. And then I do this. I'm putting so I don't have to write it out because I have awful handwriting. I will tell you guys that right now. So that's level week 7, so 5 days worth. I put on here, I put week, and then I put what week it is, and I print it off, and I put it on this to put in here so I can see at a glance what week we're on. Then once I am finished with a week, so once she's done week 1, I'll pick up week 1 and put it towards the back so the week that we're working on is right up front. It doesn't matter if you skip weeks, none of it really, it's all about what the parents want to do. I also pulled out the parent guides and all of the descriptions and things, and I have a bunch of clear protectors. Sorry, let me move this all around. I have a bunch of clear protectors, standard weight clear protectors for binders, which I will be putting my teacher's guides in. So I have a teacher's guide for each, for math, language lessons for living education, and Foundations Phonics. I will be doing that in a binder, and then every Sunday before I go to bed, all I have to do is I'll have Adelyn's binder. I'm gonna let her decorate this on the first day of school. I have Adelyn's binder. I will take out week 1. I will open it up. All of these are 3-hole punched, and I will put it into her binder, and then really quick review what we're working on that week and be ready to go for that week. So that is how I am choosing to organize her basic lessons, math, phonics, language arts. Obviously we have history, reading, writing, and science, but those are going to be done more, just a little less frequently. We'll be doing them 2 to 3 days a week instead of every single day. These are the things that we're doing every single day, and that we really have to make sure she stays on top of. So that is how we are organizing. I've had a couple people ask me how I chose to organize, and after looking at everybody's and people having agendas and people having everything written down that just wasn't us, that wasn't kind of our like, I've never homeschooled before, but I know that I'm not someone that constantly is updating an agenda, and I'm not someone that constantly is sitting in lesson planning. I would rather have most of it prepped. All I have to do is pull a couple things and we're ready to go. So that is how we chose to do this, and I wanted to share it with you guys while I was working on it. And yeah, that is all, and I hope this made some sense and maybe it can help you guys out, and I hope you have a good day. Bye guys!